Hi guys, today I'm going to make a cappuccino with the new Gevi EzBru 1000 espresso machine. If you've seen my previous video, unboxing video of this machine, let me just go over the specs a little bit. Comes with a commercial steam wand. It has preset single cup, double cup settings, which you can actually adjust it to your liking, similar to Breville's. And it has 2.2 liter water reservoir in the back, a heated cup warmer area on top, fairly large. This machine reminds me Breville dual temp type of machines a lot. It's very heavy, completely stainless steel except the top part, the lid of the reservoir and the warmer is plastic, and same as the inside, the drip tray is plastic, but outer shell is completely stainless steel. Unfortunately, it's not one of those stainless steels you can actually stick your WDT tool, so it's not magnetized or it's not capable of working with magnets. It's some sort of coating on it prevents it. Additionally, it's a 58 millimeter, comes with a 58 millimeter group head, very nice. Very different than the Gevi machines they're selling on Amazon. There are dozens of it, different types of it. I think they moving away from following the Longy style machines. I think they're going after Breville market now, in my opinion. Additionally, the machine has a PID, which is super easy to control. You keep your finger on the power button for 3 seconds, and the temperatures are 90, I think, yeah, 90 centigrades, 194 Fahrenheit for those of us in US, 92. These are only the preset ones, there's no in between. 196, 7.6 Fahrenheit, 92 centigrades, and then 94, 201.2, and then 96, 204.8. To my liking, I set it up to 92, which is 197.6. To do that, let me just show you real quick. You basically keep your finger here 3 seconds. When it starts blinking there, bring it to single cup 490, double cup 492. It blinks, and then press again to the power button, accept it, and go back to standby. It's that easy. To do 90, you do the same thing with the single cup. To do 94, you turn it to steam, the steam function. Let me just show you again. Blinking, turn it to steam, blink twice, press one more time to get it registered and set up, and then go back to standby. Now it's set to 94, which let's keep it at 94. To do the 96, you bring it to do the same thing, bring it to the hot water. I highly recommend you guys to read this cover to cover. It's really pretty good information in there, especially on the features. You can also set up the preferred customized brew time and all that stuff, but I don't use that. I have my scale. I try to go with 2-to-1 ratio, which I think that's something easily can be done. If you put 18, get 36 out, blah blah blah. It doesn't have any three-way solenoid so it's just a standard espresso maker on that level. Additionally, like I said, 58 millimeter group head, commercial steam wand, very nice. And we'll find out if it gets warm up or it's one of those cold ones. And PID in the machine. And and that's about it. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. And if I forget anything, I'll let you guys know. But all in all, machine looks beautiful. I mean, I don't see why not. Under $200, you get a machine with a PID 58 millimeter group head, completely stainless steel, cup warmer, customizable. It's a no-brainer in my opinion. Let's see how the coffee making espresso shots work on it. All right, let's go ahead and grind our beans. This is 16 grams of Sumatra organic. And I'm going to grind them in the DF54, grind setting 8. I love the F54, you guys. I think it's a great, awesome grinder. I mean, for the price of $229, things this can do, this thing can do, amazing. Very impressed. All right, let's go ahead and take this with us. Let's get our WDT tool as well. Here's the 58 millimeter portafilter. Comes with the machine. It also comes with a pitcher and this Breville style, completely plastic, but on the heavy side. You know, it's not too bad. Tamper. Comes with 4 baskets. 2 of them double walled, single and single cup and double cup, double wall, pressurized, and then 2 of them regular single wall, single and double. We're going to use double today. Very tactile. I like it. Go ahead and get my funnel. Let's grab our dosing funnel. I love this dosing funnel. It's made by Nodos, K-N-O-D-O-S. It's a great dosing funnel. It has a bunch of magnets at the bottom, 8 magnets to be exact, and boom, look at this. It all depends on the basket, rim of your basket anyway. All right, let's get our looks great. See, this is what I'm talking about as far as it doesn't stick anywhere, although it's all metal. Nowhere. Anyway, not that big of a deal because I used the magnet, the metal pole came with my WDT. Not a big deal for me, but it could be a, you know, you can use one of those metal stickers on the side if you like sticking things on your machine. I personally don't. All right. Let's do a leveling job with this gravity leveler. Perfect. Let's get her tidy up a little bit before we tamp. Here comes our temper. Perfect. And final stage, let's put our puck screen. All right, let's go ahead and set this up. It just has this solid, very nice feeling to it. I really like it. Let's get our scale down here. Make sure to turn the machine on. Get our scale. This scale has an automated timer, so it's gonna do a great job. I'm gonna do a double shot. Oh, looks very nice, you guys. All right. Let's go ahead and get the scale out of there. It makes noises like the machine has three-way solenoid or something, but it does not have three-way solenoid because the puck comes out of it pretty wet. Check this out. Very nice. Let's go ahead and purge our steam wand a little bit. After Breville, which Breville spoils us all Breville users, as you can tell. I mean, it takes 3 seconds to get everything done. This has this warming up time. I'm not sure it's thermal block or a boiler. Now let's go ahead and, after the purge, let's go ahead and do our milk steam. Yeah, the steam one gets hot, so it's not those double line steam ones. It does get hot, but it's fairly thick and nice. And let's go ahead and pour this coffee. Let's go ahead and pour this coffee. The milk. I did a horrible job on milk. I'm still getting used to the steam wand. All right, looks like a milk coffee basically. All right, here's the puck. Too bad. Here it is, you guys. Not too bad at all. I'm impressed. I just need to get better at my milk steaming with this particular machine. But after that, this will be an excellent machine once I figure it out, once I practice a little bit more. All right. Final thoughts. Looks like a great machine. Works like a great machine. It also has pre-infusion. I forgot to mention earlier. So I mean, you're buying a machine under $200. Quality almost nearly similar to Breville. Built very nice. Comes with a commercial steam wand. Comes with all the baskets, tamper, milk pitcher, warmer tray on top, a large water reservoir, and PID control, 58mm group head. I mean, excellent machine. Even, you know, this is a great starter machine. I mean, the machine I started, it was a DeLonghi Stilosa. No, I'm so sorry. It's not DeLonghi Stilosa. That was my second machine. That was my upgrade. My first machine was some Mr. Coffee machine that I got long time ago. So, all in all, this is an excellent machine, and I highly recommend it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. If you bought one of these, let me know if you have any tips or suggestions that I can have, that I can use in my workflow. But personally, I like the machine so far. I just need to practice steam one a little more. I'll be putting this machine in my mother's house, so every time I visit, I can make us coffee there. For me and my mom. She's a coffee drinker as well. But anyways, this is an excellent machine. And again, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to mark the bell button and drop me a line on the comments. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Happy brewing. Have an awesome day.